Diversity culture can be acknowledged and measured by the theory below. Hofstede Cultural Dimension Theory is the framework for cross-cultural communication developed in 1965. It describes the effect of a society culture on the value of its member and how these values relate to behavior, using a structure obtained from factor analysis. Hofstede theory is the foundation for the cross-cultural study afterwards. There are some limitations to Hofstede theory as well. Firstly, the national divisions. Secondly, too few dimensions have been concluded. Lastly, the data collected is too old. Rapidly changing global environment make it may not be suitable nowadays. Trompena introduced his 7 cultural dimensions in 1997. Out of the 7 value dimensions, 2 reflect closely to the Hofstede dimension. Furthermore, Trompena identified the new dimension, which is the sequential and synchronic. Compared to Hofstede theory, some Trompena dimensions are similar, but also add some new ideas and more reason. Besides, the comparison is also more useful. Compared to Hofstede theory, Shrivas differ in terms of approach. Hofstede carried out empirical research, then developed the dimension, while Shrivas considered 3 fundamental issues are confronting on society. Shrivas' framework overcomes many of limitations of Hofstede theory. It's superior to Hofstede because it's based on the conceptualization of value. It was developed with systematic sampling, measurement and analysis techniques, and its normative data are recent, collected in the late 1980s and early 1990s. Major cultural differences are conceptualized into 8 independent dimensions. Although both Meyer and Hofstede try to understand cross-cultural communication, they use different dimensions to understand this concept. Hofstede seeks to understand cultural differences between model nations along dimensions that represent different answers to universal problems of human society. Meyer, on the other hand, focuses more on interaction between individuals, which is the key determinant of effective team functioning. It would help understand the most common business communication challenges that arise between individuals due to the cultural differences. Therefore, Meyer taxonomy is more relevant for analyzing an individual performance in an organizational setting.